If you're a WordPress developer, if you're a WordPress website agency owner, if you're a small business owner who are running your own WordPress website, this is the most important video which you should watch completely. Because millions of WordPress websites got hacked due to the multiple vulnerable plugins. It was not one plugin, not two plugins. There were 31 plugins which got compromised, and it was a planned compromised attack. So someone from Flippa bought all of these plugins from the original developers by paying them, acquire those plugins, and those plugins were sitting dormant for 8 months before the malicious code got kicked in on all of the millions of the website. Now it's a huge question mark of WordPress ecosystem that how they were able to approve the plugin update and how did it happen. So it's a huge question mark for all of the WordPress ecosystem. I created a previous video related to EM Dash. You can check out that video in the description. So EM Dash basically released the WordPress successor, and it's version 0, and it's still way more behind the WordPress because the WordPress ecosystem is huge. There are millions of websites, zillions of websites built with WordPress, and there are hundreds and millions of plugins already being developed by the plugin development ecosystem, and the ecosystem is huge. But EM Dash can be the solution to this problem because the plugins with EM Dash is going to work on a different sandbox environment as compared to the WordPress, where it's just a PHP script. When you add a plugin to your WordPress website, it can do anything. It can interact with your database, it can interact with your files. So basically, whenever you are adding a new plugin, you are creating a backdoor to that WordPress plugin developer. The moment he or she or the developer wants to add in malicious code in the next plugin update, they can easily do that. So it's a question mark on the WordPress ecosystem, especially in this AI era where hackers have these free tools available, these free AI tools where they can create a lot of malicious scripts pretty easily. We have been managing in our agency hundreds of WordPress websites. We have more than 300 plus websites built with WordPress, which we are managing for some of our white label partners. And now we are going to scan all of these websites for the list of the plugin, which I'm going to share with you guys. So it's really important to look at the list of this plugin. If you have any of the plugin still installed on your website, your WordPress website is completely compromised. So this is the WordFence article where there is one of the plugin, accordion and accordion slider. It has been removed from WordPress repository, which you can see here. You can see that it has been completely removed, but there are 30 other plugins, and that is the list. I'm going to add the link in the description so you can read it. So these are all of the plugins: accordion and accordion slider, album and image gallery plus lightbox, countdown timer, featured post creative, HTML5 video gallery. I mean, all of these plugins are for improving the UI, and a lot of the small business owners just don't think anything before adding the new plugin to improve a small UI. So I always suggest to not to have a lot of plugin installed on your WordPress. It's best to have your plugin page leanest as possible. You should not have a lot of plugins. Make sure to try to minimize the plugin as much as you can because it will save your WordPress website with malicious code. Now, if you want to remove the malware from your WordPress website, we can help with that. There is a link in the description. You can contact us or you can mention us in the comments. We have been managing 300 plus WordPress websites for more than 7+ years. We will definitely help you if you want help with removing the malicious code, and make sure to subscribe the channel if you want to watch more videos like this. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.